Hey folks, motherfuckers from Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all the official way to transfer data from Android to iPhone for free. First, to move data from Android to iPhone, we will be using Move to iOS app. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the data transfer process. Simply download Move to iOS on your Android phone. I have shared the link in description as well. Now once Move to iOS get installed on Android phone, tap open. This opens Move to iOS app. Now tap continue. Tap agree to terms and conditions. Now tap continue to find your code. This will help us to transfer data from old Android phone to new iPhone. Okay, then here we need a code from our iOS device to complete data transfer process, but as I am already using my iPhone, I will be required to factory reset to complete data transfer process. Perform factory reset and then setting up my iPhone. Here comes app and data screen. Now from here we can restore iPhone data using various methods like restore data from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, move data from Android, or don't transfer apps and data. As we are looking to transfer data from Android to iPhone, tap move data from Android. Next, tap continue. Now here is our single use code generated. Simply enter the code on our Android Move to iOS app, and now we need to give some permissions on Move to iOS Android app. Give permissions to allow access to data that we want to transfer. First, we can also transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone for free using Move to iOS. Well, we will discuss about that in some other video. For now, let's transfer other data like photos, videos and contacts. After we have selected data, tap continue. It starts to transfer data from Android to iPhone. It may take some time depending on data size, and once done, here we have the confirmation on both devices. Transfer complete. Tap continue and boom. Here we have successfully transferred data from Android to iPhone for free using Move to iOS. That's how easily we can transfer data from Android to iPhone for free without computer using Move to iOS app. Now you must be looking for ways to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone. Well, for the same, I will be coming up with a video on my channel soon. So if you are new to Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this. Also, hit bell icon to get notified when I post that video. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. If you are looking to switch from Android to iPhone, if yes, then this video is exactly for you. Are you looking to get started being a content creator and make videos for YouTube? Well then, this video is exactly for you.